Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a little purchase I made from Happylilcorner. I will link her info below. I have purchased from her before. It's been a while, but I wanted to share what I got because she sells stuff all the time. So she puts this in this cute little, I love when stuff comes in bags like this. It just looks so organized and like, I love it. This is how I like to do when I have stuff like that too. Okay, so let's put this back here so I can start sharing. So she sent me a cute little gift. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I love the trim. It's so pretty. All right, so I couldn't tell you how many of what. Can't even remember. I got the little packets of sequins for Christmas. You see all the little Christmas houses. I think that's so freaking adorable. I got the blue one with the little Christmas gifts on it. I love that. Okay, so yeah, these are the ones with the little Christmas gifts on them and the snowflakes. So cute. I was freaking in love with these. I had to get them because I want to make some charms. So these are the little Christmas tree charms. How do I open it? Wow, the struggle here. Ah, here it is. And this is what they look like. And they have a hole in the center. I don't know if you can see that, but so yeah, these are so freaking cute. I was in love with these when I saw them. I have never seen them before. I think that's what started all of this. So I got 3 of those, I guess. I got these super cute little acrylic snowflakes. I got these, oh, I think they're the same on both sides. These little charms. Yeah, they're the same on both sides. That's what's up. Yep. So yeah, I got those. I got these super cute little snowmen. That's how the back looks. I picked up these super cute little polar bears. I'm freaking in love, and their charms as well. I bought 2 of these little Christmas trees, so I'm going to show. How stinking cute is that? I am in love, guys. I'm so excited about creating with this stuff. And then the last thing that I got that I wish I would have bought more of are these freaking truck Christmas tree and the red truck. I was in love when I saw these. Love, love, love. So cute. So that is it. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Comment. Let me know what you think. I will also add her info below so you can go check her out. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.